Sauce is boss, I've said that all the time. Always have a couple different sauces in the fridge. That way your boring food turns into something extraordinary. This is what you want in your fridge at all times. So it's Hatch Chile season. Hatch chilies come from Hatch, New Mexico. They're the meatiest, richest chilies that you can get. There's two types of Hatch chilies. You got mild Hatch chilies and hot Hatch chilies. I love using the Hatch chilies. Oh, that's Frank. He's out there just rocking. He's actually, his motorcycle is fueled off Hatch chilies.
Yeah.
You'll see these marketed all over the place. The roasted Hatch chilies are the way to go, but we want to give you a simple recipe that you can use and just make without opening up the grill. Let's say you're living in an apartment, condo, what have you, townhome, living in your backyard. Easy way to make Hatch chilies right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 4 of these beautiful green Hatch chilies and we're gonna roast them, right? We're gonna blister the skins on the exterior. We're gonna put them in a bowl, cover them and let them steam a little bit. That'll release the skin from the Hatch chili. We'll rub the skin off and then we'll clean the seeds out of the inside. Lauren is pinching my butt right now, so I'm sorry if I lost my train of thought. And then we're gonna make more of an Italian style relish or sauce that you can use. The Hatch chili. So we'll do like some Kalamata olives, actually more Mediterranean. We'll do some za'atar seasoning and spice, some nice tomatoes in there, and then whatever else, pops our fancy. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna take these Hatch chilies, no preparation other than just a quick, simple rinse, and we're gonna throw them right over the stove.
I'll do the rinsing.
No, I rinsed them.
Oh, you rinsed them?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you, you're already one step ahead.
So let's do 2, right? So open flame right here. Throwing them right on there. Yep.
All right. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
It's like we're at a campfire.
Hatch chili. With a willy. I'm gonna come right back and be silly.
You're a good rapper.
Okay, we're gonna need to cut that one out forever. There you go.
Here.
See that? See how quickly these guys are going?
You put this like in there.
I did. We're tattooing these things up, just blistering the hell out of the exterior. What that's gonna do is it's gonna create a smokier flavor. The meat's gonna cook. These are very meaty chilies. They're almost similar to an Anaheim chili, a little bit richer and a little bit more meat to them. Frankly, I think that they're earthier too, somewhat lemony. They get some citrus from that soil. 'Tis the season. Hatch chili season is something I look forward to every single year. We got these from Melissa's World Variety Produce, which is the best produce company in the world. And they harvest, I think, the lion's share of Hatch chilies, and they do these Hatch chili roastings all throughout Southern California. So check them out at Melissa's World Variety Produce, melissasproduce.com. You'll have anything you want to know about produce in general goes through Melissa's. Well, if you can blister them all the way around. Now you can do this on your grill too. That'll obviously make it a little bit easier, but not everybody has a really good grill setup. So
what if they don't? Well, what if they only have an electric stove?
If you only have an electric stove, so throw them on a really, really hot pan, a dry pan. Don't put oil in there and actually just burn them, right? So we're encouraging you to burn your food. So you could take a carbon steel pan or a stainless steel pan, put them in the pan. Actually, carbon steel or cast iron would be best. Blast the heat up and just burn these on all sides. Throw it on this one too. Let's bring them together.
Oh.
Bring them home. There you go.
Bring them together.
Why not? There you go. There you go. All right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go in there.
God.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Oh.
There we go. Now we'll cover these and let them steam, but they'll breathe a little bit, but we'll let them pretty much steam in there. Okay, and bring these over to the cutting board.
It smells so good.
It smells so, I feel like I just walked into a southern, like a southwestern Tex-Mex style.
Barbecue place.
Barbecue-y, peppery restaurant. Like, hey, how you doing, my friends? Cerveza, maybe? Lauren's Mexican, so I'm allowed to say that.
Okay. When should people pull this? I mean, realistically, you want the
probably
plastic
5 minutes,
wrap
5 to 10 minutes.
It.
Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes, you can see it. But in the meantime, let's start making the base of the relish,
so
right?
You said we're gonna do some.
Yeah, some Kalamata olives.
Let me see.
Okay.
Got it.
Hey, look at you, muscles.
Ooh, what is this? Za'atar.
Za'atar seasoning, which is a Mediterranean, North African Mediterranean spice blend. We'll just do a rough chop on these Kalamata olives. All right. Now, naturally, people are going to want to do with like the Hatch chilies, do more of a salsa style, tomato, cilantro, onion with the peppers. We're just going a different route here to show you how versatile the Hatch chilies are. It doesn't have to be like a Mexican, almost a Spanish or Tex-Mex flavored dish. You can go Mediterranean. I mean, you can go East Asian, right? Like Japanese food with the Hatch chili in there is delicious. A little
really
soy
excited
sauce.
about this because Mediterranean food is.
Oh, you smell great.
One of my favorites.
Yeah. Now I've got these Pomi tomatoes. I love the tomatoes in the cartons. I'm going to use this just as the base. These sweet Pomi Italian tomatoes in the carton, so you don't have that like excess.
Am I throwing this in here?
Mm-hmm. Excess aluminum flavor in there. Aluminium.
All right.
Kind of sweet. Teaspoon of za'atar seasoning. Okay, we got some fresh basil here. Okay. So for the basil, the key here is the chiffonade. I don't like to chop basil because then basil's very delicate, so it can quickly turn into mulch as the moisture comes out. So what you do is you take your basil, right?
Oh, that smells delish.
And you just roll it up. I've never done this before, so. Chiffonade is French for ribbons, and you're just cutting it into these little strips. Oh yeah, this is relaxing. Look at that. Smell my fingers.
Ooh, smells delish.
Normally it doesn't
First
smell
time.
like that.
No,
Yeah.
normally it's
Oh yeah, there we go. So we're not gonna, oh my God.
Are we gonna use all of that?
Not gonna use all that, but we'll do a nice tablespoon in there,
little
right?
dollop.
Dollop. I got some cherry tomatoes here that we'll add in there as well.
Are we gonna cut these like
just
in half?
cut them in halves or quarters, whatever you want. And then I'm just gonna take an onion here. You see how fun this is? Just lovers cooking together.
It is fun.
Now I'm just gonna do a little dice on the onion. I know that everyone's gonna be like, why are you dicing your onion that way? Another video for another time, my friends.
Am I doing all of these tomatoes?
Yeah, why not? There we go. We got some onion in there. I like the onion. I like the strong. These are actually Vidalia onions, so they're milder, sweeter onion.
Could you do a red onion?
You could do a red onion in there. You could do green onion. You could do chives.
I feel like red onion's very Mediterranean.
You do a white onion. You can do a Maui onion, which is a much sweeter onion. You could do
what about a shallot?
You could do a shallot. You knew I was going there.
I knew it. Tomato.
Tomato. All right.
Perfect.
Let's do some extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah.
Perfect.
I'm gonna keep going on that extra virgin olive oil because you want that mouthfeel. That beautiful, beautiful mouthfeel. Maybe just a little bit of fresh cracked pepper in there. Just a touch of smoked paprika, just to add a little bit of smokiness, right? That's gonna amplify it. So
it's like the one.
It's the one
spice I don't really like.
Is what, smoked paprika? Mm-hmm. Well, that's like me with cumin. I hate cumin. So we'll keep it mild though with like a California champagne vinegar.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No.
Oh, you aren't messing around.
I'm not messing around. No, not at all.
Oh.
Let's put that off to the side and we'll break into these chilies. So you can see as this skin, the blistered skin just comes right off. That's how easy it is. It literally just peels right off. And I like to leave a little bit of the char on the outside, right? So just kind of gently peel them off. Now, one trick, you can use like a paper towel. You can take a paper towel and just wipe it down.
That one's giving me issues.
See, you just take the paper.
Give me that paper towel.
Well, this is wet, so.
Okay, let me get another one. So you could just rub it?
Yeah. Yeah, and then some people like to do is actually just to have some texture, like they'll even put a little bit of salt on the exterior. So the salt will act as kind of an abrasive. Plus you season the pepper at the same time, see? So now I'll just lay these out, right? Do one more, take the stem, kind of rip it, right? And if you want to do, you know what else is really fun with the Hatch green chilies is a chili relleno. We should do that for the next episode. We'll stuff this up with some cheese and lobster and do a cheesy, lobstery chili relleno.
Relleno. Hey,
Is that how you say it?
Yes. So, question for you.
Yeah.
With these, do we take the seeds out or we leave them in?
Yeah, we're going to take the seeds out. Great question, actually, because that's going to be the next move. Some people like this to leave the seeds in. I don't think they add anything to the chilies. So then what I'll do is I'll just take them right down the center.
Okay.
Okay. And then take the top off. I'll flip them and scrape the seeds right out, right?
Ooh, yeah.
I mean, a couple seeds are going to get in there, no big deal. All right, so now all we're going to do, let me get some of this.
Interesting.
Let me clean our cutting board here, right? And some seeds are fine, some char is fine. Now we're just going to dice these, right? So we're just going to take these and dice them. Right? Oh, and these are just, I like to eat a little bit. These are just, I mean, it's sweet, it's meaty. There's almost like a natural acidity to them as well. And then we're just gonna add it right into this nice little Italian relish. And then we'll put this over some chicken, some fish, what have you. I mean, we'll just throw it in the fridge and use it for the rest of the week. There you go. Now, and I mean, this wouldn't be complete without just a dash of our Kentucky Rebel Scum, which is the half pond. I mean, these guys are unbelievable. This is the best hot sauce there is out there. Sauce is boss. I've said that all the time. Always have a couple different sauces in the fridge. That way your boring food turns into something extraordinary. This is what you want in your fridge at all times. It's really simple, it's very basic, it's comfortable, approachable flavors you already know, they're familiar. The basil, the Kalamata olives, the tomato, extra virgin olive oil, but then you round it out with that rich and meaty, smoky Hatch pepper that's only available for the next 6 weeks. So you want to take advantage of that. I would say we could use a little bit of salt in here, don't you agree?
I was gonna say a little something.
And then we also rounded this out with some za'atar spice, which I'm gonna add a touch more. There you go.
So good, babe. Good job.
All right.